Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide friends lists on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, wait, let me just first of all quit Facebook. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here you'll find your main or home screen, and you'll find the posts of the things that you may be interested on, the posts of your friends, the posts even of you, of the pages that you like, that you follow, that you joined, and etc. So of course, if you want to hide your friends list on Facebook, all you need to do, tap at the three lines at the top right corner and navigate to your settings by clicking at the settings icon at the top right corner here, or just scroll down and click at settings and privacy, then hit the settings button. Here you would like to go and you would like to scroll down a bit and then click at profile information. So here of course you will find the information on your profile, the basics info, events, groups, relationship, and etc. Of course, if you find here your friend list, that's okay, but if you didn't find it, just go back, then click at profile login. So here, if you look your profile, of course, only friends will be able to see your friends list and not just everyone as usual. So if we click at lock your profile, wait a bit, you locked your profile, only your friends can see your photos, posts, and stories on your profile, and of course that includes your friends list as well. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.